How you doing today? Today I'm hanging rock, and I haven't hung rock to make any money in a couple of years with the foreign labor that we're using nowadays. But I used to like it. But one of the things I'm doing is I'm hanging a ceiling, and I'm doing it by myself. Like these sheets are 10 foot, and these are a little shorter. But one of the things I thought you guys might want to see is something that you don't see too often anymore. It's called Deadman. Okay? And it's nothing more than a prop. Okay? And what I did is when I used it here, I'll stand back a little bit so you can see it. You got a piece of rock that you want to put up there, right? So you put your Deadman right about in the position that I have it now, a couple inches lower. Then you take a sheet and you put the low end to the right of the screen and the high end goes up. And then you jump up onto your benches here and push it up. Okay, and once you get there, you then take your hand and you move the Deadman to where he supports the weight of the ceiling or the sheetrock on that side. And then you use your hands or your head or whatever it is and you tighten it up. Make sure your joint's nice and tight there. See that? That's nice and tight. And then you start somewhere down here and you start screwing your outsides, and you know, depending on how long and how heavy the sheet is, you might want to throw a couple in the middle and then work back. But you can see I got a screw in each floor joint, ceiling joist rather. And oh, by the way, I have a light over here that I got to pull out. Well, I guess I'll show you how to do that too. All right, here we are, and what I'm going to show you is how to Rotozip out a light. Okay, see, there's my mark. All right, and there's the light, and that's what we're going to be doing. So what I'll do is I'll turn this on. Just blow my dust off, and there's your light. Now see, one of the things that I'll explain to this is sometimes you have to go on the outside if what you're doing is sticking out like a new work, but this is an old work where I'm going to an old work box. So I just went to the inside. When you go to the inside, the magic secret is going clockwise. Okay, but if you're going to go to the outside of the box, what you do is you start in the middle, you go in, you jump to the outside of the box, and then you go outside, and the Rotozip will follow right around it. Okay, that's a couple drywall secrets there.